That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. With those moving words, humanity set foot on a world other than its own. Today, human spaceflight continues to fascinate and inspire. Hello, my name is Gérardine Goh Escolar. I am Adjunct Associate Professor of Law at the National University of Singapore. Today, I'd like to discuss the application of international space law to human spaceflight. Human spaceflight refers to travel in outer space with a crew aboard a spacecraft. The first human spaceflight in history was launched on the 12th of April 1961, when the Soviet Union sent cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin into Earth orbit on board Vostok 1.